Hi guys, welcome back to Collegedunia YouTube channel. Today we are here with another exciting video on how to download CUET 2025 question papers. So in this video, I would be guiding you guys step by step on how to download the CUET 2025 question papers. So let's get started. So CUET 2025 question papers are available on the official website of NTA. So NTA is also the official conducting body of CUET exam and its official website is nta.ac.in. So you can go to nta.ac.in and find the CUET 2025 question papers. So let's move to the official website. See, nta.ac.in. So this is the homepage of the official website. So on the top navigation bar, you can find the download button. When you click on this download section, you can find the general download mock test and the previous year's exam papers. So you need to apply some filters. So first is year. When you click on this, suppose we are downloading CUET 2025 question paper. So we need to select the year as 2025. Then for the exam type, these are the various exams which NTA is conducting. So we need to find the CUET exam. So here is CUET UG exam, and we need to click on this. Then we need to click on the paper. So the paper is subject. So we need to select the subject for which we want to download the question paper. Suppose I select accountancy. Then I need to click on search. Then on the click of search, there is no data found. So the official website is showing as no data found as the 2025 examination is still being conducted. So the papers will be available here after the completion of the CUET 2025. So let's try with the previous years. Let's go with 2024. So I would select 2024 as year, then CUET UG in exam type. So here is CUET UG. Then for the subject, I would select accountancy again. Then I will click on search. See. So these are the papers which were conducted in 2024 for CUET accountancy. So these are the dates of exam and this is the shift of the exam in which it was conducted. So don't get confused with 10 entries of accountancy. These are different sets of accountancy which were conducted in 2024. Similarly, so suppose I click on this download button. See, the question paper is available here. So on the top, we can find that the question paper is in English and Assamese. So you would first find the questions in English, then the same questions would be there in Assamese language. So if I go back to this official website, and if I click on some other entry, suppose I click on this one. So this is the accountancy paper conducted in 2024 in English and Bengali language. So see, these are the questions in English and then the questions are in Bengali. So similarly, we can filter out the subject for which we want to download the question paper. Suppose I want to download the question paper for chemistry. Then I need to click on search again. So chemistry papers are available here. If I click on this first download button, so see, again the chemistry paper is available in English and Assamese language. You can scroll down and find the questions. So these are the questions in English, and then we have these questions in chemistry as well, Assamese as well. Now let's filter our search again. So I would refresh this website. And suppose I want to download the CUET papers for year 2023. So I click on this 2023. Then exam type would be again CUET UG. So here we go. Then paper, suppose I click on all. So it would ideally show all the subjects question papers. So I click on search. See, all the question papers conducted for CUET UG in the year 2023 are available here. You can go over these pages to find the different papers. Moreover, you can also click all here. So all the papers which are conducted would be shown here. So this is the official way to download the CUET question papers. and this is the official website of the exam conducting body, which is NT. So I hope the video was clear and it would help you to download the question papers. So that's all for this video. So like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more such exciting videos. Thanks a lot.